All right, guys. How you guys doing today? We don't come again. Nuhu Ribadu now he come up now. Can't tell us. Can't defend the indefensible. Telling us that the insecurity that is gradually eating up Nigeria right now, that they are doing well. That they are doing well. It went on by referencing to so many other countries that insecurity have captured, taken over the state or the country. He mentioned Burkina Faso. He mentioned many other states, other countries, and all that. Wait till you want to understand for this particular video. So, me, I don't know, but I know they like to put words into people's mouths. That's why you see, I would prefer to be presenting my videos most times now, so that you can initiatively put out your own opinionism on the comment section without not looking forward to waiting me talk. You understand? And this particular video one I watch, so there are so many videos compiled together. Make sure you watch to the end so that you understand the plight of the people and what is currently going on in the country, including VDM versus Niger State governor. Let's watch this together.
Nigeria has been a victim of this type of things. Many countries in the world, many of the countries have lost the fight against these evil people. Sudan today do not have government. Niger today is a military government. Mali is a military government. Burkina Faso is a military government. They face the same problem we are talking about. I worked in Afghanistan in the past. Today, those people who we went, the whole world went to confront, to fight, are the ones who are in charge of Afghanistan. Just to tell you, today in our country, I believe that we are not doing badly, given the massive nature of the problem and the challenge. There is no part of Nigeria today is controlled by them. There is no part of Nigeria is controlled and politically in charge by them. We have done fairly well. We are not yet over. Issue of security or insecurity is not an issue that you can instantly say you will address. We appeal to Nigerians to give us understanding. Appreciate the fact that there are people who are working and that it is a matter of time.
I say hope no go there again. If we expect light for this country, I say make we cancel one more. 10 billion now they don't allocate to put to solar, meaning say no hope for electricity. If the highest hem of affair, they go for solar. And this same place, then get generator, then they budget for diesel, then they budget for petrol. You understand? Then get meter electric own. Now, then they follow us. When you know they see like they go hustle for solar. If a whole presidential villa, they go for solar. Meaning, say themselves they get electricity failure with that. We get hope of having electricity for this country. Not be fighting, not be quarrel. I beg, make we put him out for this matter.
Anybody that you find with barber or dreadlock, arrest him, barb his hair, and fine him. Nobody should carry any kind of hair court again inside MENA. I have given you marching order, the security agencies.
All right, so I just came back now, and this is the first news I'm seeing on Tunde Ednut's page, where the governor of Niger State is talking about insecurity in his state, and then he went on to say that any youths or anybody you see with dreadlocks should be arrested and they should cut their hair. So basically, I guess he's trying to merge it up that dreadlocks is a sign of insecurity, maybe. You understand? But if we want to judge by the looks, even you will be governor, they're supposed to hold you barb your face, your beards. Because your beards alone shows that you don't even look responsible. Now, not from my own point, because I know a lot of elderly people where we say they see you carry beards. They'll say, come on, go and clear this thing. I don't see some old men that time for church. They tell those brothers for church when they do fine boy for choir, they'll say, go and barb this hair. You are looking irresponsible. So if you are judging the youth and saying that, okay, they look irresponsible with their look and it's a threat to security based on you are discussing security, then even you as a governor, you need to clean shave. You need to shave. But that's number one. Number two, I'm a very nice guy. Very dark man is very nice. I want to help you as the governor to get the boys that have dreadlocks in Niger State. I will help you as the governor. But guess what I will also help you do? I will also help you find the youth in Niger State that don't have a job. The people living in abject poverty in Niger State. A lot of youths in Niger State are into fraud because the economy is not favoring them and the government is not creating avenues for the youths to thrive. So if that had dreadlocks now, they give the person work. Do you know what you're about to stop now? All about people that are into the business of making dreadlocks. Because as far as I'm concerned, it's an hairstyle. It's a hairstyle. So how about the people that are into the business of making dreadlocks? Now you don't close person place where they make money with that. Do you understand? You don't close person place. They say, oh, make youths governor, make youths governor. See me in a Niger State governor now. This is what you know here, advanced country talk about. Now, let's now go back because, like I said, it was talking about insecurity, right? Which is a good topic, right? Now, all the old people where they don't catch for insecurity, insurgency, Boko Haram, you know, Boko Haram, bandits and everything, none of them carry dreadlocks. Show me a Boko Haram member with dreadlocks. Show me a Boko Haram member with dreadlocks. People that attack, that cause insecurity in Nigeria, they are very smart. They have to blend in. And it is people like you and this kind of ideology that is making them blend in very well. Now you are going after people, you want to start going after boys that are carrying dreadlocks. Then people now where won't do the insecurity, they'll dress well, they'll go wear suit and tie. They'll carry bomb, go bomb. They'll go they kidnap. They kidnap, they wear suit and tie now. They wear allergic clothes. They wear Iro and Buba. They wear Isiagu. They wear Isiagu, Iro and Buba. Or they wear Malan clothes. Or they wear suits. They'll carry out atrocities. You would not know. Because you think that the people will get dreadlocks. Now them be the bad people for the society. Let's clamp on them. Before you'll be able to talk to the youth, you must have something to offer the youth. What are you offering the youth for them to change their lifestyle for you? A lot of them now are artists. A lot of people carry dreadlocks for low self-esteem. Some people, they carry them until they cover their hair. Some people, they look and say, okay, now these dreadlocks, they beautify me. A lot of people have different reasons to carry. Some people want to grow their hair longer. Some people want to save themselves stress of going to the barbering salon. Always. So they carry dreadlocks. Dreadlocks does not mean irresponsibility. When they talk dreadlocks, not even strength, if we go by the Bible. Samson hairstyle. They say Samson keep hair. Once you know they comb your hair, because Bible not talk about comb. Once you know they comb your hair, now dreadlocks it go turn to. So Samson get dread. I want to believe John the Baptist also had dreads. Now we get debate say whether Jesus na black man. If Jesus na black man and Barbie no dey there, that is to say, man, Jesus self get that. Or, okay, yeah, there's a part where they shave. Do you understand? So, my dear governor, with all due respect, you cannot stereotype the people on dreadlocks and tag them with those causing insecurity or irresponsibility in the state. You can't do that. You can't do that. So, please, sir, honorable governor, with all due respect, this is wrong. This is stereotyping. This is wrong. Other country, they carry youths, they go outside country, train them, AI, make them come into production. As a young governor, I expect you to bring in the youth so that they can go into production. This is what you can offer. You be one governor when me I like for this country. Yes. I dey always happy when I see your posts, your videos. Enter where they talk, I know I like that one a young governor and they do well. But this, no, bros, this is low. This is low. This is low, honorable governor. This is low. This is very, very low. So like this now, you know if you invite Olamide come your place. If Olamide won't do show, Olamide Bado, if you won't do show for just for Niger State, you know if you do. What message are you trying to pass? Or Asha the musician, well respected in the country. She won't come do show for me in Niger State. You know, go agree because she get dreadlocks. That's a very bad stereotyping. And you should apologize because it's not fair. You should apologize to the youngins and generally to the people with dreadlocks because it is a bad stereotype. It is a bad stereotype.
See, the federal government is telling me and you, say we go remain slave to this oil. And this oil, they are not making it easy for us to access. It's unaccessible. Why? When you reach your turn of grade, they fall. Everything is scatter. No light. Everybody depend on oil. Tinubu, two things. Or either you give us our stable light. What you promise us, that is what you promise us before you enter. Or either you give us our stable light, or you reduce the oil for us to access. So that life can be easy for us as a Nigeria that vote you in. If you don't work on this light, or you reduce oil, now we say we go remove you, whether you like it or not. Because now what you tell us, you said it. You talk everybody here. You talk and say, if you cannot give us light, we should not bring you in for second tenor. Now you don't campaign for second tenor, where you never fix our light. Oil high. So what do this country they do? Now we money and want to reach to ourselves. It's not possible. We are not robots. We are living soul. You said let the poor breathe. Now some want to breathe. Do you know that no average man in Nigeria? Maybe your advisor they never tell you. We only have the rich and the poor in Nigeria now as we speak. Everybody is suffering. Everybody is suffering through their nose. No light. Oil is expensive. So how do you want us to survive? I be until the poor man start to break big man house. They collect it. Now that time I want stabilize it. You people need to do the right thing now before things get out of hand. Because we, the poor masses, we are hungry. Nobody they smile again. Join not anybody eye again. Everybody eye the red. You say I don't remove my cap. Everybody eye the red. Please do something. More know what they do for this country. We are tired. You carry light. You carry all here. Which kind of wickedness with that? No. Abba, we need to tackle this matter. Please answer us.
In Nigeria, the reason why we are where we are at right now is because we only complain about corruption that we do not benefit from. So if we are benefiting from it, it is fine. But if you are not, if you see them crying, that's why a lot of people that protested during Goodluck's time, that the country, the economy was 10 times better than now. They are quiet because a lot of them are benefiting from the system now. They are benefiting from the government. So their mouths are shut. They cannot talk. An average Nigerian is selfish. Is very, very selfish. That is the truth. That is why personally, you see all those celebrities that are benefiting from this government. So they are defending the government. They are not talking about the government. I don't follow them. I don't see anything that concerns them because you don't care about me. So why should I even care about what is going on with you? When I see people go there, see, one thing Nigerians have time for, they follow people that they don't like and they stay on their page to troll them. If you don't like somebody, if you really do not like somebody, you will not even be on their pages. Unfollow those people. I don't watch their movies. I don't listen to their music. It don't concern me because I know that you are a selfish person. We should not be benefiting from corruption. We should not be supporting corruption because we are benefiting from it. It is bad. And we need to start talking. And I hope, and I always say this, I pray that this does not end online. That we do something about it.
A 7-year-old boy named Nancy Stephen survived a massacre in Plateau State last week. His father was shot dead. His mother's arms were chopped off. His siblings were beheaded. And he too was struck, slashed in the neck, but he survived. Over 56 people were killed that day. Over 5,000 are now displaced, cramped into churches, yet silence. No religion promotes any sort of violence, talk less of killing. This is pure evil. This is pure evil. And we need to stand against it collectively as rational human beings. Condemnation must be collective. And silence is complicity. In Nigeria, we keep quiet. We keep quiet until it affects us. We keep quiet until it comes knocking at our doorsteps. We adapt, we don't act until it concerns us, and we can't keep waiting for that to happen. So let's call them what they are. They are murderers. They are killing for fun. They are worse than terrorists. They are psychopaths. So disarm them, arrest them, give justice to the victims, and give healing to the survivors. NAIJA survived, but Nigeria won't until we all speak up. This is not about religion, it's about humanity.
As much as many of you have dedicated yourself to spreading bad news and pushing propagandous narratives about the government of Nigeria under the leadership of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, I want to tell you something. You cannot fool us all. From the obedient falsehood to the VDM and Idris Abdulkarim conspiracy, and then to the Showore shenanigans, I want to tell you none of this will blindfold us from seeing reality and saying it as it is. This is the only government that has brought about tax reform, something that has been long overdue in the Nigerian system. Do you know how much tax reform will bring about productivity in all of the states in Nigeria? Nobody's talking about this. The only government that has tackled ASU strike head on, ASU strike that kept declining the Nigerian education system, and it felt like there was no solution to it. But in 2 years of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in office, there has not been such thing as ASU strike. And not that alone, even in the educational sector, we now have student loan. Nobody is willing to talk about this. You are only interested in the bad news. Recently, Rino Omokri tweeted to say, "Never in Nigeria's history have so many road projects been going on simultaneously. The Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway is progressing. The Sokoto-Badagry Express is being constructed as we speak. President Tinubu has approved 777 billion naira to complete the 700 kilometers. And nobody's interested in this. All you want to hear is bad news. Look at the massive development in Ajaokuta Steel Company, but nobody's talking about it. Look at Dangote refinery. It's not just there, but it's functioning. Look at the Port Harcourt refinery as well. Nobody wants to talk about this. Nobody's talking about the improvements in the health sector. How President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has assisted those dealing with kidney ailments that have to pay up to 50,000 naira per day before. Now it has been dropped to about 11,000 naira just to make it more affordable by this same President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Nobody's talking about that. Even the security that we are complaining. Do you know how terrible Kaduna to Abuja road was before? People could not even travel there. But the story is different right now. Not to even talk of local government autonomy. Just to even mention a few. Because if I say make I mention they go, I don't have enough space on my phone. But why is it that we are more interested in the shortcomings and we are so quick to put it on social media and to tell everybody how terrible Nigeria is? I'm not saying Nigeria is there yet. Of course, there's economic hardship in the land, affecting even me myself. But with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, we can say for sure we've taken a couple of right steps in the right direction. And the song right now should be Sheyi, tell your papa, in the try.
All right, it looks like it's time for us to go save the people of Burkina Faso. This guy got on U.S. Senate hearing and said that the president of Burkina Faso, Ibrahim Traoré, has become a threat to his own people. You already know what that means, what that sounds like. That means it's time for us to go liberate the people of Burkina Faso. And of course, they're going to use a black man. The blackface is always a house nigga. Every time they're going to use, every time they want to use violence on black people, they use a black man from the West to come bring it on Africans. When they want to use sweet talk, it's always a black woman. You see, this guy's used violence for Burkina Faso. When they wanted to do the, what was it called? What was it in Kenya? The bill they were trying to introduce where if you owe too much taxes, the IMF could take your land. It was black American congresswomen they used to send them to Kenya. America has realized they have black people in power who they can use now to destroy Africa. But yes, this house nigger, Michael Langley, is now the guy who's going to be the face of America going into Burkina Faso. Look it up. He got on the Senate hearing and said, but Ibrahim Traoré is a threat to his own people.
When I don't hear everybody for this particular video, how VDM take call out Niger State governor, telling that anybody with a dread, may they capture them, cut their hair, in fact, arrest them. These are leaders that have run out of ideas. In fact, from primary step, they never get any idea before. They just want to be in power. This is what you get. These guys, they don't care about how this country can be better. But just put it on the comment section. I want to hear from you. Leave your comments. Join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's continue to talk about the things that are affecting us. Take care, guys, and bye for now.